explain a bit more how do you use the sales applications in Odoo?
Okay, so you have two applications in Odoo for the sales part. So you have the CRM and the sales. The CRM, you use it really to track your opportunities or the leads you can have. Here you will be able to have different steps in the sales process, and you will be able to do the follow-up. You can generate some activities for a different person in the team.
What is an activity in a CRM?
You can generate activity for calling your client, preparing a proposal, and it will appear in the CRM. You will have a clock in each client, so you can identify that you have an activity plan or not. Through colors, you can identify if you are late or if you are okay with your activities.
So you track all your sales opportunity and what are the activities that you need to do for each sales opportunities. And tracking all this information, how does it help you in managing the business? Maybe with your team or even maybe with the board of directors? How do you use it in practice?
I think the main thing is to define KPIs with your team and to be able to track those KPIs. So, for example, if they have no activity with some client, maybe we are forgetting about this client and we are losing this opportunity. So it's important that, for example, in the CRM, you can filter which client doesn't have any activity. So you will be able to define why maybe it's not a client anymore, or maybe we don't have to do follow-up, so we just remove it, or maybe we are forgetting about it and we can take action. And also it will be good to make sure that we are having track of every client.
Yeah, and you also will use the CRM with your upper management, so with Portitis Group. Can you explain how does it help you actually to communicate or to review the strategic plan with the Portitis Group?
Well, first you can have every detail in each client. For example, you can have the amount of the opportunity with your client. You can have the detail, for example, where this client comes from, how you get it. So you are able to see where you are receiving more opportunities. And maybe is where you should put more inversion. We should put much money on this marketing channel because it's what is generating business for you. So this is one of the important KPI you can track with the
Maybe
management.
you can explain also how we use it in business planning, so to see where we are or where we are in terms of future short-term business.
So yeah, also in the CRM you will be able to see in which step you are with your client, so you can understand how close you have to get a new deal and what's the size also of your pipeline. So for example, as you can put in every lead the amount of business you are expected with your client, you will be able to have an idea of, okay, in two months I should be able to make that much money, so you can do better prevision and you can have a better forecast, because you are able to have real data, and also you can have some probability inside your Odoo pipeline, which will be calculated, the probability you close a lead in general, and if this lead come with this channel, maybe the probability is higher, so the system will calculate that for you, and you will be able to really do better forecast and take better decisions.
Yeah, so in management meeting we use it to see what will be the expected business or sales amount in the coming 1, 2, 3, 5 months, and it helps us also to plan, okay, do we need to invest more money and time in sales, or do we need to do we have enough delivery capacity, so people to actually deliver the project, etc.
Yeah, exactly. It's also good sometimes because you will have a bigger amount of business, but maybe your team is not enough.
Yeah.
So it can help you also to take decision to hire people, or to see if maybe the team will not have enough work. So you can take also decision. Maybe you can do business with other part of the group. So yeah, it's very important at the end to take many decisions.